Are you one to have sex in your office? I would hope not. But however you feel about that, your employees might not share the same view. Hi, everybody. I'm Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So one topic that came up very recently in my Facebook group, the Law Firm Mentor Movement, is this issue of can you legislate that there be no romantic relationships between your employees in the workplace? And of course, this is a legitimate concern because we all know not every relationship that starts is going to end up happily. And if there is a relationship that ends up unhappily, there can be a lot of ramifications for you as an employer. So we have to be thinking about the ways to protect ourselves without infringing upon the rights of others in a way that might not be kosher. So I have three strategies that I want you to really consider before creating a policy around fraternization in your office. So number one, you should always consult an employment attorney. Now, this is not just a plug to get my clients more work. This is really something that you really have to do for several reasons. We know that there is a First Amendment right of freedom of association. It's not actually written in the Constitution, believe it or not, but most states have some law on this topic. So if you outright bar your employees from having romantic relationships, you could be in violation of the law. Of course, there's always the concern about sexual harassment. So if the relationship that forms is one between a superior and a subordinate, and it breaks up, ultimately there could be an argument that there was a hostile work environment or there was sexual harassment. So you have to be very careful there. Number two is that while you may not be able to prevent the relationship, you can hold people accountable to the standards of your office. So it does warrant a conversation to make sure that people know what you're holding them accountable to, either billable hours or completing a certain number of tasks every day, or making sure that they're spending a requisite amount of time at their desk, depending on the type of job that they have. Third, you want to make sure that you address the relational aspect of the relationship. And that means really managing gossip. People talk about things in relationships, people talk about things outside of relationships. If there is ever a perception that people are a little bit too aware of what two employees are doing outside of the workplace, that needs to be addressed so that you don't have a proliferation of inappropriate discussions about someone's private relationship in your office. And of course, if it breaks up and it doesn't work out well for that couple, you want to make sure that people are not taking sides or discussing the relationship in the workplace during the time that they should be working. If you have any questions about how to manage the relationship aspects of your employees, this is again something you should really discuss with an employment attorney. But as a business coach, we see this issue all the time and we can give you guidance on how to address it. I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor, everyone. Have a great day.